Welcome to our tutorial on the BEGSR opcode in IBM RPG programming. BEGSR, or Begin Subroutine, marks the start of a subroutine within your RPG code. Let's dive into an example to understand how BEGSR works. In this example, we start with initializing a variable CharDate with a date value. Then, we perform a test operation test DE on CharDate using a mask to variable its format. The line EXSR ErrCheck calls the subroutine ErrCheck, which start with BEGSR ErrCheck. Here's why this is powerful. Whenever you see ErrCheck, whether in another subroutine, a calculation specification, or even in an input file specification, it's always pointing back to this same block of code. This keeps your logic modular and easy to maintain. Inside ErrCheck, we check if %error is true. If this is, we display invalid date. If not, we display valid date. This logic helps keep our main program clean and organized, handling errors in a centralized way. And that's the BEGSR opcode in action. It makes the beginning of a subroutine, making your RPG code more modular and easier to debug. Stay tuned for more IBM RPG tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more RPG programming insight. Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.